Hi guys, welcome back to Melanie Star TV, and today we're going to be trying out something new. We're going to be trying out Squishy Ball Science Kit for the first time. But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now we can get started. And also, guys, I have a special guest. We have my big sister, Maya.
Hi.
Okay, so let's start with this balloon.
Okay, but you gotta use the glue. Ma, where's the scissors? Alright, so now we're opening up the glue packet. And you're doing yours first, so here you can pour it in. Sit it back on the table. Make sure you get all of it.
Okay, so do we put in the stuff?
I'm doing that one.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna be doing this and the rainbow balls.
You're so pretty.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, so what you gonna add in first? You're gonna add all the glitter. You should use this to
Yeah,
take
mix.
in and put in.
I'm not gonna use all the glitter though. Okay, that's enough.
Here, mix this up first.
The glue is really watery too.
Make sure you get everywhere. This is so pretty.
Yeah.
Here. You use all of them or just some?
I'm gonna use all.
Just a lot of it. No ball left behind. That's pretty.
Yeah. So do we put in the color?
Do you want color or you want it to be clear?
I want it to have color.
Wait, hold on. I'm like, do you want it to be like really red or do you want to have like a little or purple, maybe purple thing or blue?
I think I'm gonna put like 2 dots in there.
Right. Don't squeeze too hard. Into.
Okay, let's mix it.
That's pretty.
Yeah, it's turning pink.
Oh, that's really, you only probably need a 1 drop.
So pretty, guys. Okay, so do we put the
You gotta add the activator first. Oh,
wait, yeah,
Wait.
I think we need to put in the activator.
hold on. Let me read the directions. I'll just pick it up.
Okay, guys, we read the direction. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put the balloon on the funnel.
Make sure you don't rip it.
There we go. gonna pour it in.
Hold the balloon. Hold the balloon on. There you
Oh, this is gonna be so pretty.
So I added in 2 drops.
Oh, look how pretty this is gonna be.
Okay, now we have to put in the activator.
And you have to go slowly because it's gonna overfill. We might have to transfer it to that because it's not mixing very well. Ooh, my knee.
It is mixing. It's good. Look, it's starting to slime
Yeah,
down.
but the bottom wouldn't slime up. Alright, so add the activator. Well, this is gonna be so pretty. Oh my goodness. Keep going and then mix around.
It looks like slime, guys.
It's getting really thick. Oh, that's gonna be so satisfying.
Yeah, that's why I put in 2 because I knew it was gonna turn pink. Look at this, guys.
Make sure you mix it well so it won't get all chunky.
Okay, how you gonna put it inside of there?
That's what I guess the phone is for.
Okay, did it.
But let me help you because it's not.
It's really
Like this.
thick now.
Hold it. Hold it tight. Hold it down. Yeah.
Alright. Let's take it off the stick. Just make sure we get all the slime out of the bowl. I'm gonna just do one good stretch for y'all so you can see how satisfying looking it is. Look. Oh, it's so shimmery.
Is it sticky?
Oh, it feels so good, but it is really sticky. It's like, it's not meant for like hands to play with, but it is like, you know, a nice one slime. All right, so I'm gonna add it in slowly. Get your stick so you can start stuffing it in. No, wrong stick. Wrong stick.
Oh, wrong stick. Oh, it's right here.
Okay, go ahead. Nope, stuff it in first. There you go.
We did it, guys. Look how pretty it is.
Looks like a real squishy.
You know what it looks like? Right? The unicorn. Unicorn poop.
Really?
Okay, let's get on with the next one. So
My
pretty.
turn.
Yep. So what color are you going to be doing? Purple?
Well, it's like, well, periwinkle is purple, but it's like a the glitter is like a periwinkle fairy dust looking.
Ooh.
And it's really pretty. Ding. No more Fortnite. Make sure you get all your money's worth. Every last drop. Right, and now I'm gonna add in my beautiful
Fairy
holographic fairy. Open that right on up, and then actually I'm gonna use all of it.
Have to steal it.
Mother. He was number 1. I don't need to add that in my mix that around a little bit. It looks like the tassel that you get from the store for Easter.
It looks
It's
like
really
fairy
good.
dust.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna add in 1 drop of blue.
So it's gonna be like a baby blue?
Kind of. That's what I kind of want. And then one drop of red. Come on. I might actually go back in with another drop of red. Just to make it more purple. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. I have to come up and show you as I mix it. I like it. I wish you could see the top view. Oh my gosh. I love this purple.
That looks kind of blue.
Oh, this is so pretty. Well, yeah, actually, let's go blue. If I gotta add one more drop of
Red.
the red, yeah.
Red or pink?
No, I think this is, it's red. It says red. And
Red
this
color.
is blue. Ooh. This is really pretty. Oh my goodness.
It looks purple now. So are you gonna be adding your activator?
Well, actually, I have to add this in. Because Mom said try it the other way we did it the first time. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty.
I'm gonna stand the table. Actually, I might add just a little bit of, oh wait, no. Actually, I know. I'm gonna add these.
No.
Just a sprinkle.
It
Of
matches
the
your
purple,
colors.
the purple and pink.
It matches your colors.
Mm. I only want to add a little bit. I don't want to add too much. I don't want the periwinkle to get overthrown. But yeah, I really like this. This is so pretty. It looks like chili and pom-poms. Alright.
For the last one, I might make it slime.
Alright, I got the funnel. And I have to get margarine. Oh no!
Me?
Mhm. Worked out, but I can work out.
Sorry guys
It's
if you
kinda
hear that in the
rising.
background.
As it's mixing.
79.
Oh my gosh, this is so weird looking.
Yeah. It kind of reminds me of
It looks like
a
a
lava
jellyfish.
lamp. It reminds me of a lava
Yeah, I'm just
lamp.
gonna do it the other way we did it. Because it's not mixing correctly.
It looks so watery.
It looks so, oh my goodness. Hold on, wait. No, stop. And just sit it in there. This
That's
is
cool to look at.
really,
Yeah.
it does look like a lava lamp. I'm gonna mix it in like this time because it's not really mixing as well as I thought it was going to.
It looks so
It
pretty.
looks so satisfying. I really love this color. Oh my gosh. I really wish I could see the purple that's reflecting off of it.
You still have like a lot of majiggies.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll just mix it in when I put the rest in.
Oh,
Alright, let me see the funnel. Ooh, stuff on me.
Ooh, that is a beautiful color.
I know, it looks so pretty.
while she's doing that, I'm gonna be starting with my other stress ball.
Let me show you guys. It's so sparkly. Like, oh my goodness, this is so pretty.
It looks like a type of cheerleading colors.
Let me see. Oh my gosh, I really like that. Don't add any color. That looks good.
Really?
Yes, that looks really good.
Okay. Maybe just a little drop of blue. Okay. It does look pretty. I'm good.
Looks like Spirit. Let's hear it.
Okay,
Oh my gosh.
so
Melanie, don't you remember that, yeah, no.
you're,
That
yeah.
cheerleading CD you used to always play.
Oh yeah, I remember
I
that.
was like, oh my gosh, please, Melanie, turn it off. Like, that's all she wanted to watch.
Okay, so do I add an activator?
Yeah, if you want to.
All of it?
Yes, the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
It's that size cube.
Let's take a look. So, you like being on my channel?
Oh, you're asking me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts?
My thoughts, like, of how you run your channel.
Well, no, how are you doing right now? Are you excited, happy?
Yes, I am. I'm happy.
I'm excited to play with this.
Ready to eat some of Mama's shrimp that she just cooked. Ooh, my finger is stuck.
Guys, this
Oh, my
feels
balloon did it just
so good.
Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Should I keep it as
sparkle.
slime though?
It's so pretty.
Maya, should I keep it as slime though? Should I keep this as slime?
No, I think you should make that a squishable. Because you can still keep it as slime. You could just, ooh, you know what we should do? We should do a slow motion video and then pop one of them with the slime in it.
Yeah, that'd be good. Okay, so
Oh, I love this. Is so gorgeous.
oh my gosh.
Oh, these are so pretty. Ooh, Melanie, yours is like more soft. Like you can feel everything. And oh my goodness.
Got it.
Like, look at hers and look at mine. This is so. Mine is more like a. Like if you're angry, you squish it. So it's just like if you're just happy, you just squish, squish, squish.
So
I love when like the bubble pop comes out. This is so pretty. I love this. It's like cotton candy.
Maya, it's giving me cheer vibes.
And I really love this. It kind of got some of everybody's sparkling in it, but it's still cute.
Just a little bit of slime. You're going with the rest of your
Oh
friends.
no! It's getting real slippery here.
Really pretty.
It's like a calming ball.
Yeah, you just wanna. But mine's is just like.
You seem like if you're having a good time, that's your slime is like.
What's your slime? Your stress ball name?
I'm gonna name her.
Pixie.
No. I'm gonna name her Aquaria.
That's such a pretty name. Mine is gonna be.
Barbie, life in a dream.
Its name is Barbie.
Oh my goodness.
It's pink like Barbie. Barbie likes the color pink. Barbie was my show back then. Back when I was little.
And how long ago was that?
I don't know, 5 years ago. That was
I
back
think
in the
Netflix still has that movie.
Yeah, it does still have Barbie.
Sorry.
No, they're never gonna get rid of Barbie. Everyone likes Barbie. Are you struggling?
I'm thinking. I'm trying to make sure I get everything.
Your wall is like a little hard to squish, but it's good.
Cute. Never mind. I'm not gonna say. Oh, pretty. Oh my
Okay,
gosh, my
can I
finger.
go? Oh
It
yeah.
feels like mine. But mine's is more like soft. I think it depends on like the kind of this way. The kind of
I think I know why.
sparkles you use.
I think I know why, because we filled this one up with air and stuff.
This was a really good idea. I like it. It's like very.
Okay, guys.
Alright, let's show all three. Oh my gosh, this is so. Oh, I like
Hi,
this.
I'm Barbie. Wait, no. This one's name is gonna be Shelby.
Shelby.
Okay, so are we gonna be do it on slow motion and cut it?
I don't want to cut it.
Why?
You can cut yours.
Not that one. This one's getting cut. Oh my gosh.
Whose is that?
That's
Oh.
yours.
I thought mine just popped. I was about to say no. I like
I
this.
like-
This is like a very. It's hard to explain. It's like very.
Cool. Too cool for
Like-
school. Yeah, it's gonna be. Its name is Too Cool for School.
And what's this one?
Barbie. Yours is Aquarius.
Her name is Aquaria. I'm not Aquarius.
Oh, well then this one's name is Aquarius. They're twins.
I like Too Cool for School. What happened to that one?
Oh yeah, Too Cool for School. Get it? Cause some cheerleading is at school. Too cool for school. Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Bye, little stars.
I hope you had an amazing time. And make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Bye, my little stars.